as you guys know, Kyle snapped his frame. So this video, we're gonna be fixing up my old Cove with the parts off of his broken bike, so he has a bike for this summer. Kyle, do you want to explain what happened?
So I came into comp drop really hot, and then I'm like, I should probably brake, and then I didn't. And then I saw the landing go behind me, and I heard a ka-ching, and then I was sliding on the ground.
Oh gosh. This is the stage his bike is at right now. Dialed. So his bike broke and that part of the frame went like inside of the ground, and who knows where that went, and then you just died.
I just died.
Nice little scar on your
I
forehead
look like Harry
there.
Potter.
And he has scratches all up his chest. Here's the Cove now. We're hoping the parts fit off of his bike so we can make a bike for him for the summer. Do you think they'll fit?
I sure hope it fits.
Oh gosh, here we go. Basically, Kyle's rim is like too wide. The axle's too wide and it doesn't fit inside of the frame. So we're gonna have to use my old rim, and Kyle's gonna try to tension the spokes and I guess make it straighter. But for now, this is what he's gonna have to use. Alright, well we got the chain on. It works. Now we just have to get the shifter working, and that's what Kyle's doing. Black bars look kind of good.
They do look sick, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah. There we go. We got the front brake on as well as the dropper post. Kyle isn't thriving right now.
It's not working.
But it's okay. What are you doing, Kyle? Trying to remove the housing.
Trying to make it not like that.
Alright, well we'll be back when that's done. Alright, what happened?
Okay, so the shifter is like kind of broken. We can't get it working. So I guess we're going one gear.
One gear. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the front rim for his front rim because it has a better tire on it.
Yeah.
True the back rim
Swap the tire.
and true it.
Yeah.
And what else?
And put my old pedals on.
The old pedals, and then go ride it. All right, it's day 3, and she works. Oh, all right, let's look at it. Okay, now I'm gonna try out the bike and we're gonna get some clips and we're gonna show you guys how it rides. Kyle would ride, but why aren't you riding the bike?
Because I like screwed everything up.
Like his knees and stuff from snapping his frame. So I'll be riding, he'll be filming.
Gonna be sick.
Daddy Cove. Okay, never mind, I was wrong. He wants to try it. This is probably not a good idea, Kyle. Woo! Alright, well, our riding was not the best. The bikes, we just gotta get used to the bike, right?
Yeah, it'll take me years to.
Yeah, you think it'll be good for you though?
I hope so.
Yeah, another thing is, we are stuck in this one gear, the really high gear. It doesn't shift, so you just have to be stuck in that, I'm sorry.
Spin.
But yeah, see you guys next Thursday. Hopefully he'll be riding at Ledgeview.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.